in my bedroom. And if you watched my previous video, my Target haul, you'll see that I bought a bunch of stuff to kind of revamp our bedroom. So today I'm going to have you guys follow along with me while I go ahead and update my bedroom. So first of all, I bought new sheets. This was my main reason for going to the Target. Loved the blush color. I thought these were gonna look beautiful with our other bedding. So I was actually pleasantly surprised when I opened up these sheets. I noticed that they have a double stitched elastic reinforcement on the corner, which is perfect for a deep mattress. All right, so a little tip when you're putting your top sheet on your bed. I actually like to put mine so that the bottom side, or the side that normally faces down, is facing up. And the reason I do that is because I like to fold my sheet over my blankets, and that way the top side of the sheet, the side that you normally would see, is gonna fold over the blanket, so you'll see the nice side as opposed to the underside. So once my sheets are on my bed, I like to use a quilt next. This is a Pottery Barn quilt. All right, so now is the dreaded duvet cover time. Duvet covers are such a pain to do all by yourself, but this is the easiest way that I've found to put a duvet cover on your bed. So I've laid out my insert for my duvet cover. This is just a down alternative filled comforter. Then what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take the top and I'm gonna pull it all the way down. I'm gonna pull it all the way past the bottom portion. I'm gonna fold it up and then bring it over so that it's folded like twice. Bring it all the way down, fold it up, and fold it down again. Take that duvet cover, and lay it out on top of my bed with the bottom right close to my top fold here. Just make sure that it's straight, because the straighter or the flatter it is, the easier it will be. I'm going to take one of my corners. I kind of hold it like this. I'm going to go up inside the closest side of my opening of my duvet cover, and I'm going to pull that duvet cover all the way to the top corner. So I've pulled it all the way to the top corner, and I'm going to grab that piece that I held, and I'm just going to kind of pull through about halfway, and then I'm going to repeat it and do the same thing on the other side. I'm going to take my corner, I'm going to go up through the opening, I'm going to reach way up to that top corner, I'm going to grab that top corner and pull it about halfway through. I'm going to take my bottom corner and I'm going to reach in and find my bottom corner, which should be really close, and I'm going to pull that into place and kind of give it a couple of shakes. Take our bottom corner, find our opening, and go find the bottom corner of the duvet cover, hold it into place, and shake it out. All right, so now you can kind of, still holding that corner, you can kind of find the bottom of your comforter underneath and kind of reach for the center and give it one good big shake. Some comforters have little ties on the corners that you can tie on the inside of your duvet cover. This comforter did not. Once your duvet cover is on, you can go ahead and button up the bottom. So once your duvet cover is on, you can take that top portion of your top sheet and fold it out over your duvet cover. So now the nice part of the sheet, or the top part of the sheet, is gonna show. So that's why I put my sheets on upside down. All right, so now I'm gonna put Euroshams on my bed. For those of you who don't know what a Eurosham is, it's just a large square pillow. We have 3 of them because we have a king size bed. So I put them towards the back of my headboard first. Now I also have 2 king size pillows, and I'm gonna go ahead and put new pillowcases on those because those are going to go on next. I always put my pillows on with the openings facing out. I also purchased 2 new pillows. We replace our sleeping pillows at least once a year. These pillows all back here, these all come off the bed when we sleep at night. I also bought some new, these are organic cotton pillowcases, and these will be our actually sleeping on pillowcases. So I'm going to go ahead and put these on our new pillows that I just bought, and those will go on next. Now I also have a quilted sham that matches the quilt, so we're going to put those on top as well. But these ones we don't sleep on, these ones come off also. I'm going to put the new pillows that I just got from Target. I'm going to pull the tags off of them. These are just a cute little decorative pillow. These are going to go, I have 3 of these, and these are going to go right in front of my sham. So I also picked up these really cute little accent pillows from Target. Put one in the center of my bed and one on my chair over in the corner just to kind of tie it together. Then I'm going to finish the bed out with this cute little blush colored throw. I love the little pom-poms. So cute. All right, friends, so here is my bedroom makeover. I love it. It's so nice for Valentine's Day. Just a little recap of what we did. We put new sheets on the bed, and I redid my duvet cover and my shams. I put these little floral arrangements, one on either side of my bed on the nightstands, and then I put this cute little throw that I got from Target on the bed, along with this really cute little tray, and a lot of the things on the tray came from Target as well. The little creatively organized book, the little mug, and then the candle all came from Target. Love it. I think it's really, really cute. I love the colors in here. Again, here is that pillow over on my chair, and there's the little floral arrangement on my side table. Here's the one on Sean's side of the bed over here. Hope you guys enjoyed my little bedroom makeover today. It was fairly inexpensive to do and it completely changed the look of my bedroom. Go ahead and subscribe to my channel and stick around for more videos to come. Have a great day, guys.